देशे महाविद्ये श्रद्धे पुष्टि स्वदे ध्रुवे महारात्रि महाविद्ये भैरवी नमोस्तुते।
Shift your focus to your breathing. Breathe fully relaxed. With every breath, relax your body a little. The first few lines of the bhajan are extremely powerful and something that we need to think of as we sit in the seat of silence today. There is this extraordinary singer whose name is Hansraj Raghuvanshi. He sings, शिव समा रहे हैं मुझ में और शून्य हो रहा हूं मैं। What I understand of what the song is, slowly I am experiencing the divine within me. And as I experience the divine within me, I, शून्य हो रहा हूं मैं. I am becoming closer and closer to zero, to nil. And I believe in the seat of silence that is an extraordinary moment. When I can let go of me and experience the divine within me. So I would love to invite all of you in this beautiful small journey where intentionally we sit and we say, I am going to be pure. And I would love to experience the divine within me. And with every breath that you take, let go of any negative that knowingly or unknowingly has found its place within you. And have the intention, I want to experience the divine. And in that process, I want to become zero. Just hold on to this for this one song. And let's see, does it take us to peace? Does it take us to an idea? Does it help us to clean some of the negatives? Does it help us to realize some truth about ourselves? Hold on to this longing. I want to expand the divine within me. And I want that ego of mine to become zero. भस्म कर रहा हूं। He says it and it hits me hard. क्रोध को, लोभ को मैं भस्म कर रहा हूं। और मैं शून्य हो रहा हूं। And then goes on to say later, मैंने खुद को खुद ही बांधा अपने खींचे लकीरों में। मैं लिपट चुका हूं अपने ही जंजीरों में। अनंत की गहराइयों में मैं खुद से दूर हो रहा हूं। Feel peace, and whenever you feel like, very, very gently, please open your eyes. And whoever the bhajan is devoted to, we listen about great qualities or great facets of that creator. But in this song, there is the reflection. Reflection about where I am limiting myself, and that too in a very beautiful philosophical way, and connects it to divinity. When the author would have sat down to write, he could have used any god's name: Brahma, Vishnu, Ganesha, Lakshmi, Saraswati. But he chose to use Shiva, probably believing that if something has to be taken out once and for all, if something has to be destroyed, then Shiva is the apt creator among the trinity of Hindu gods. Shiva can remain detached and destroy. Outstanding. He sings with such free throat. ना स्कूल में याद है हमको कहते थे कि जब कोई मुक्त कंठ से गाना गाता है कभी भी अच्छा लगता है, उसमें सुर हो ना हो एक प्रभाव होता है. And when I listen to this song, it creates in me a desire to let go of anger, let go of greed, and that is what this entire song is all about. लोभ को, क्रोध को मैं भस्म कर रहा. What a big thing to say that I am destroying my greed and destroying my anger. What a huge thing to say.